Hello, good morning all. So here I am going to give you a fine explanation of 1.5. In the previous lecture by mistakenly I told it 1.4. Sorry for that. Now here 1.5, the new dress is short and I can understand. I hope you may understand explanation which covers all important points. Okay, so here let's start the prose. So here I am going to tell you exactly how nicely Virginia Woolf has highlighted the main thing, that is stream of consciousness technique, which we can see through the main character, that is Mabel. Okay, so now here she has given you the main character Mabel. The whole story runs around her. Now the simple thing is that the lady is middle-aged lady. Okay, she is insecure. She is not secure at all. Now she has got a, the theme of the story is that she got an invitation of Clarissa Dalloway for the party, and now she belongs to not so high class but middle class. Okay, so she is not able to afford a gown or a dress of latest design. So she has a yellow herself created gown. Okay, of her own rate, of her own price, and the dress itself makes her insecure. Now when she is invited in the party, when she goes in the party, at that time she herself create her mind in such a way that all people are making fun of her. She feels insecure, and the most important thing here, Virginia Woolf shows you that she doesn't love herself. She always feel inferior for her appearance. She is not in. Has no kindness for herself. Okay, she hates herself. She criticizes herself, her dress, and always she has a she is a negative mode that all people are making fun of her. But the reality is not like that. There is no one in such a way that all are enjoying the party. And again she gives the example that she is a fly who is being there and all others are enjoying, and the situation is in such a way, the negativity has overruled her mind in such a way, she goes and goes deep inside. She is unable to come out of this state that she is not looking good. Okay, but the reality is not like that. She is looking good, okay, fine, but she is not ready to accept. The mentality is in such a way, the insecurity concept has overruled her and makes her feel that she is not at all good. See, you can see in the image how the face has came down. It is just an image. Purposely I am showing you to make the things very clear. So Virginia Woolf is highlighting the period at that time, how the situation was there. Okay, at that period when this novel was published, when this play was been given to you, it was written in 1924. Okay, so here she shows the insecurity, and the self consciousness was so painful that she was not able to continue the party, and in middle half the negativity has such an impact, she is unable to bear the thing and she leaves the party. And while leaving the party, she comes down in different sense. It is been clear that the where she comes down up, the people those who are there in the party all belongs to upper class, and she doesn't belongs to. She feels very untrue. But while coming, she says Dalloway that she enjoyed, but from inner heart she says no, not at all, this is not true. So here the stream of consciousness technique can be seen very nicely, because not a single thought is there in her mind. Always the thought moves here and the different types of feelings are there. She is a lady who belongs to the middle class family, somehow getting always adjusted in the economical situation. She was in the thought that she might get married to a hero type person like Sir Henry. Okay, but she has married to a middle class normal person, Herbert, and in a small house with two children she is happy. Not the way, but the technique of unconscious stream of consciousness is highlighted in such a way, the feeling of insecurity, alienation, loneliness is clearly being seen in the image which is given to you in your textbook. Okay, so here I want to say the sum up part of the theme will be that the insecurity feeling given by Virginia Woolf is clearly seen throughout the text, that unhappiness, because she herself has selected the dress, she herself has, Miss Millen has made it. At that time she was very happy how it made, but when it came in the appearance, she herself hated her appearance. Okay, so very finely the main theme and the main subject of this prose is that insecurity, alienation, loneliness, where these things is shown clearly by Virginia Woolf, as somewhere when Virginia Woolf lost her mother, she had nervous breakdown. Second time she had nervous breakdown when she lost her father. So all these things, what she has felt, is somewhere highlighted very nicely, because here Mabel is not at all loving herself. She has she throughout the prose, not a feeling of happiness is there, which can be said that Mabel is happy at that moment. Okay, so very finely, I hope you might have understood the prose, because only one theme is continuing throughout the lesson. Okay, and other than that, a small moral I can say for this is that we have to be happy when, if we are not able to give our opinion that I am looking the best, we should have the attitude, whatever, the simple is the most beautiful thing in this world. No need for the thing that you should get compared. Now the fashion is there, all people want to compare themselves with someone. Instead of all these things, no, better what you are having, you should be happy with that, because that is only going to give you the hope. Whatever others are having, don't think that you will look like that, or looking appearance is not it. The same thing happened here. Even though Mabel is good looking, but she thinks, her mentality has become in such a way, she is not ready to accept what she has with her, the basic thing. Okay, and further, though simple party event is been shown, but the feeling of insecurity, alienation and loneliness capture her mind in such a way that she is not able to continue the party. In middle half only she has to leave out, because it had bombarded her mind to that she can't accept it, it doesn't belongs to her. Okay, so very finely, I hope you might have understood the central theme as well as the concept of the prose. So I hope you might have liked it. So please share, like and subscribe it. Thank you students and all viewers.